I untied this. What happened there? They're not cooperating, right? Well, that tire is on. This is another Titan. I know I got these tires at the same time of the year. So that one I might need to get another one. We'll see, but now I got to change gears. I got to meet a guy up. He's bringing me some hay to one of our custom pastures. We're expecting some cows next week, actually. I gotta clean all this off too. Don't like it. Don't like twines on the axles. They're bringing 12 bales for the custom operators, and well, my custom grazers. And to fill up the load, he said he'll bring me 5 bales, so that is all good. Okay, let's go. Well, we're going to take these windbreaks, we're moving them to another pasture. We're expecting some of our custom cattle coming in tomorrow. So I want to get set up. These are going to be for the calves that are going to be coming tomorrow. We're going to put the calves in here, and they're going to stay in here for about 15 minutes. And then we'll let them out. The owner has made me aware of that the calves have not been exposed to electric wire. I think I'll be okay. The mothers have, so what we'll do is, the calves, I might just put a wire out so that they get used to what electric wire is. So, but anyways, it's I'm glad that this all worked out. Brought it here. Some of the there's a little bit of that slough grass. I'm not sure how much nutrition it's got in it, but they can start knocking that down. You can see in some of the green spots there, that's where water is sitting, and the grass is green there. So yeah, we're all set up. I'm pleased with this. If the cattle do decide to come today, I just shut the gates off, and these cows have been here before, so I'm not too worried. It's familiar to them. I remember last year we were setting it up here and it was so warm. Right now it's gets a little cool if you have any bare skin. Notice on my ears it's a little cool. In the bag we have seed. We are going to be seeding it. It's called a cover crop seed. We're going to be making forage out of it. We've got 11 different species of seeds in there, and that is going to be something new we're growing on the farm. Not cheap either. Well, today is May 17th, 2022. We got our first group of custom cattle coming in. We're going to set up we're checking fence right now. The cattle lecture are on our way already, and we set up the portable windbreaks yesterday, and so got some chains for tying the gates, got some insulators for see if any insulators are broken, and this is our power source, our energizer. Water's gone down, but it's still running. Shouldn't be running that much. Still leaking over top of the dike out there. But anyways, this is kind of our back way to get there, and I figured I'll check some fences as well on the way. Kind of a good idea that they put in a cow in here just to kind of quieten up the calves. Cows are eating hay now. So I just might leave them in here for about an hour or so. I think we're gonna let these cattle out. Now we're ready for the next group. I'm gonna keep an eye on them just to make sure that they're not getting around and doing some foolish stuff. Well, this cow here had a calf last night, but I had to pull it because the head was off to the side. I'm just going to castrate and tag them, and they are out the door. All right, they can go out. I'm going to leave the chains here. You know, we get some rain, they can wash out. Because I did get dirty yesterday. Whoa! That's like it was 11 o'clock at night. I'm dealing with it. You know how hard it is to chase cattle at night? Cattle that have been used to being just roaming around. Yeah. See, we had a few more calves again today. And we're gonna do some tagging. So I'm doing some spring cleaning now, and I have my mother's septic field line. It comes into here, and so I want to clean it out. So what I do is I usually just push it out the field here, and then it takes I let it decompose. What I need to do, there's a wire here, so either I move the wire, or what I'm going to do is I got a 2x6 here. It's tall enough that I can get underneath the with the tractor without taking the wire out. So should be high enough. Let's try that. Not too bad. We got a little bit here to clean up. I put that 10-foot, I guess it's probably a 12-foot 2x6 drove underneath there. Gonna clean up a little bit. That's right by my mom's house trailer. I think I'll come with the manure spreader. I'm gonna take this, dump this back out into the pasture here, making a little bit of damage. I have to talk to the homeowner. This actually cleaned up pretty good. I'll have to harrow it, take this house down. Not a project we're going to do today. Come on.